Hello and welcome to Sandy the Sidestepping Crab. And right there she is, my friends, doing a little sidestepping. That's correct. Hey, first and foremost, make sure you have your notebook out and you're ready to take some good old notes. And here we go. Sandy the Sidestepping Crab lives in Florida where the temperature is 92 degrees. Nice. She went on vacation to Alaska where the temperature is negative 46 degrees. Brr. And then you got to figure out what is the difference in temperature. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and start highlighting some good stuff here, right? And we're going to highlight the 92 degrees, right? And that's from when she's in Florida, right? And then we're also going to highlight the temperature, the frigid temperature, negative 46 degrees, and that's when she is in Alaska, my friends. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and plot both of these. Now, first of all, 92 degrees in Florida. Well, I'm going to start here at 0, and I'm going to go into the positive because that's positive 92. And I'm going to just make a line here and write 92. And that's the temperature of Florida. Super. Now let's move on to Alaska. And Alaska is in the negative. So I'm going to start here at 0 and go 46 degrees, right, into the negative. And let's just say that it's probably right about there, right? So I can just plot that. Now, if you notice, the first thing that happens is that as Sandy the Sidestepping Crab goes on vacation from Florida, she goes all the way to 0, and that's 92 units, right? So if I do that, I'm going to just go like this. And that right there is going to give 92 units, right? And I'm going to add then the distance from here to negative 46 because she goes another from 0 to negative 46, and that's another 46 degrees. Now, you can also think of it like this. You can also think of it as adding the absolute value of negative 46 plus the absolute value of 92. Now, once again, the absolute value simply means the distance from 0 to that number. In this case, from 0 to negative 46 is 46 degrees, right? So I can rewrite this as 46, right? And then the distance from 0 to 92, the absolute value is just the distance, right? And that's 92. So I can write 92 here, right? And that really means I'm going to take 46 plus 92 and add those two temperatures together, right? And if I do that, I get 6 plus 2 is going to give me 8 down here. Drop that 8. And then 4 plus 9 is going to give you 13, right? So drop that 13. And right there, my friends, is your answer, 138. And you got to love that, right? So what is the difference in temperature from Florida to Alaska? Well, Sandy the Sidestepping Crab could tell you that it's a big temperature change. It is 138 degrees change in temperature. Love that, my friends. Hey, what I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and pause this video, back it up to when I first started solving this problem, and then play a little pause and copy. Play a little pause and copy until you've done the entire problem side by side with me, my friends, because that is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.